Hammy Kids.
Hi there. Welcome to my garden. Beautiful flower bed. My name's Bud, and I just love the creepy crawly leaf pile. The splishy splashy pond. The wonderful bird feeder. Let's try counting from a larger group. The birds are getting hungry. Oh, look at all these treats. Lily needs 4 food balls so that she can eat. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 yummy food balls. Let's eat. Do I hear another tweet? Can we pick 6 food balls so that Freddy can eat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 yummy food balls. Let's eat. Continue. Meet my friend Lily. She's looking for food, but it looks like the bird feeder is empty. It looks like Lily is hungry. Can you put 5 food balls into the feeder? Make sure you don't put too many in. Done. That's right. You've placed 5 food balls into the feeder. You did it! Continue. Lily is still hungry. We need more food balls. Can you put 7 food balls into the feeder? Done. Well done. You've placed 7 food balls into the feeder. You did it. Continue. Whoa, look, a bird nest. Is that an egg hatching? Oh, look at that. But how many eggs are still left to hatch? 3. Count how many eggs have yet to hatch. 1 and tap the right number. That's right. There are 2 eggs left to hatch. You've done so well. Thank you for helping the birds. I'm so lucky to have a friend like you.